Next question is viruses. This is the question. Viruses having RNA genome and having shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. Why? Why viruses having RNA genome they mutate and evolve at a faster rate? Answer is that although both DNA and RNA are able to mutate, but RNA being unstable mutates at a faster rate. Since RNA is unstable, it mutates at a faster rate. That is why the viruses having RNA genome they mutate at a faster rate. जो आजकल हम कोविड वायरस की डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड म्यूटेंट वायरस बिकॉज इट इज़ हैविंग अ RNA as genetic material. Therefore, the chances that it will mutate are more than the viruses with DNA as genetic material. Now, the next question is a molecule that can act as genetic material. What should be the criteria a molecule should fulfill so that it can act as a genetic material? Answer is that it should be the following criteria should be fulfilled by a molecule so that it can act as genetic material. Number one, it should be able to replicate, means it should be able to make its carbon copies. It should be chemically and structurally stable, and it should have a scope to undergo slow changes, that is mutation by mutation, and mutations and the variations they are raw material for evolution. So mutations and the changes they are required for evolution to continue. It should be able to express itself as Mendelian characters. Mendelian characters means as dominant or recessive or a trait which is controlled by two genes, that is by two alleles. Now, next question is which of RNA and DNA? Why DNA is better genetic material than RNA? Although in different individuals, different genetic materials are present, it can be DNA or RNA, but out of DNA or RNA, which is the better genetic material? There are some points given, but at the end we have concluded that DNA, because it is more stable, it is preferred for storage of genetic information, but for transmission of genetic information RNA is better. No one is better. Actually, we are discussing right now, but DNA, as it is more stable, it is preferred for storage of genetic information, but for transmission of genetic information RNA is better. Now, what are the points that show that DNA is better genetic material than RNA? The first point is both the nucleic acid DNA and RNA they have the ability to mutate, and the genetic material it should be stable to stable in different stages of life cycle, means whether the stage is egg, larval stage, pupa or adult stage या कोई भी stage हो life की, DNA the genetic material should remain stable and it should not change in different stages of life. Now, we know that the DNA is double stranded and RNA is single stranded. So, the double stranded structure, the two strands which are attached together by complementary base pairing, so it provides the double stranded structure provides stability to DNA. Moreover, there is present OH group in RNA. OH group जो हमने ये tRNA का स्ट्रक्चर किया था, तो there is present a OH group this OH group present here, it is a reactive group which makes RNA easily degradable. And RNA is also known as the catalytic, known to be catalytic means it is reactive. Now, another point is that thymine is present in place of uracil in DNA, which provides additional stability. So, what are the reasons that DNA is better genetic material than RNA? DNA is double stranded. Now, in RNA, OH group is present, which makes RNA more active and less stable. Thymine is present in DNA in place of uracil. Both DNA and RNA are able to mutate, but RNA mutates at a faster rate, so it is more reactive and less stable again. RNA can directly code for synthesis of proteins, means in the coming topics it will become more clear. RNA can directly code for the synthesis of proteins and it can express the characters, but DNA to express itself, it needs the help of RNA. Now DNA has evolved from RNA. The first genetic material during the evolution of life, it was RNA. So by considering these points, what have we concluded? That DNA is stable and it is preferred for storage of genetic information, whereas for transmission of genetic information